Secrets of email automations for 2023. You must thinking that how to communicate with your subscriber, your customers by using email marketing. What are the secrets behind that, and how to communicate properly with your subscribers or your customers. So before going about the secrets of email automations, we have to know what is email automations. Email automation is a powerful tool for businesses and for the individuals for communicating properly with your subscribers, and also helps you to save the time. So there are some secrets behind that. Let's dive into that to know about the secrets. Hi, I am Kartik Samantaray. I am an entrepreneur. I am a digital marketer and email marketer. I am helping the startups for generating their leads by using email marketing, also set up their email automations. If you have not subscribed yet, then please do subscribe right now and hit the bell icon. You will get an update when I upload the new video. Every Saturday and Sunday, I am going to upload new video related to email automations and digital marketing. Let's discuss about the secrets of email automations. The first one, segment your list. This is the most effective way to improve your email automations. The segment your list based on interest, based on needs, based on their criteria, and based on the problems. So you can create the different content and so that targeted content so that you can send to your subscribers so that you'll get more results. Second one is personalize your email. Personalize your emails helps you to get your good click rates and also customer engagement. You can personalize based on your customer name, based on their tags, based on their interest or different conditions. Also there you can create the condition based on their conditions. Also you can personalize your emails so that you will get good retention or also you get the good communication with your subscribers. Third one is triggered emails. Triggered email is an automated email is triggered with some specific condition, such as any customer came, any purchase happened, any card abandonment happened, so that you will get good communication or good retention of your emails. These emails also help to nurture leads and increase the customer engagement. Fourth one is A/B testing. A/B testing is a technique so that you can test your email components or email elements like their subject line, their content, their images, their call to action, so that you will check what works for your audience so that you can create the same content and you can send to your subscribers. Fifth one is analytics. Analytics helps you to check your email performance such as click rates, open rates, any conversion rate, so that you can use the data to optimize the email and also you can get the good results. Sixth one is drip campaigns. Drip campaigns are the series of automated emails such as welcome series, any re-engagement series, so that you can build your good relationship with your subscribers. Last one is mobile optimization. Nowadays people are going to check their emails on their mobile rather than desktops. 55% of people are loving to check their emails on mobiles rather than any other devices. So you have to create your contents on mobile devices or any devices so that they are clear, so that your content should clearly visible to your subscribers. By implementing the secrets of email automations, you can improve your email marketing results and also you can get good communication with your subscribers. And also once you will get the subscribers, once the customers are engaged with you, then definitely will get more results. Hope you like this video, and this type of content I am going to give you every week, Saturday, Sunday. If you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe right now and hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.